Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and with all the places that we need to go, we need a variety of shoes to get us there. So that's why I really like this Home Complete 5-tier shoe rack. I was in dire need of a new shoe rack because in the middle of the night, the one that I had broke and there were shoes everywhere. So I immediately was on the hunt and I found this one. And what really stood out to me was the metal rod shelves. The reason why I like that is that I don't have to worry that over time it's eventually going to sag or break. I also really liked the plastic connectors. This is a full solid piece that connects both sides of the tiers and then to the next tier. It is extremely solid, heavy-duty plastic, and the openings where the poles go in quite a bit on both sides so that you don't have to worry about it popping out or sliding out over time. It actually was a little difficult to get in there, which really gave me peace of mind to know that it was completely secure. You're living in a tight space and you need to have a place for both you and your husband's shoes, or you're just someone who has a lot of shoes and need a safe place to store them, this is a great option. It is such a high quality, sturdy product. It is everything that it advertised that it was and more. I really love it. I think you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.